Welcome back. Angie Edge from the Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin is here. It's holiday time, and what better gift than cheese?
Yes, 'tis the season for cheesin'. So we have a holiday campaign called Share the Joy of Wisconsin Cheese. So for everyone that is looking for those holiday gifts, what a better gift than Wisconsin cheese. So I just showed an example here of how you can put together an easy Wisconsin cheese gift basket. Choose your favorite cheeses. You can also visit our website, and we have 30 different Wisconsin companies that have featured baskets on our website this month. So you know you're shopping local and supporting our Wisconsin dairy farmers.
And often shipped right to the recipients.
Yeah, and it gets fresh from the farm, fresh from the cheese factory. So very easy. So we also have a great recipe for entertaining this month. It's indulgent. It's absolutely wonderful. It's the baked triple cream brie with a homemade caramel sauce.
Wow.
So brie is a very festive cheese. This is the brie that we're using today. It's the triple cream brie. It's actually made in southwestern Wisconsin by Schrader Case Cheese. It's a third-generation cheese factory, but you know it has a really earthy, mushroomy flavor. You can eat the rind, in fact. So basically, you're going to bake that brie in the oven for 5 to 10 minutes just so it starts to ooze out nicely. And then you have a homemade caramel sauce that you're actually going to make on the stovetop that, of course, has some real whipping cream from Sassy Cow Creamery, and then some sugar, and then you bring it to a boil on the oven until it caramelizes. And you can pour it right over your brie with some chopped walnuts. So we're serving it today with some ginger snap cookies. Also, to give you some color, we have some apples and some pears. But you know, I know you like to make brie at home, so any kind of jam or honey is wonderful on a baked brie.
And you can put whatever you want with the cheese.
Absolutely. Just a simple stack of brie and crackers is great too. So.
And brie is made in Wisconsin.
Made in Wisconsin. This one is made in southwestern Wisconsin, but we have a lot of bries that are actually made in the state. You just have to simply look for that Proudly Wisconsin cheese seal. So when you're shopping for all of your Christmas presents, make sure you're looking for that Proudly Wisconsin badge.
And there's other cheeses within this family, isn't there?
Oh yeah, you can have brie and camembert. It's a soft ripened cheese, so you know that it kind of starts molding on the outside, and that's what creates that creamy flavor in the inside. So lots of different soft ripened cheeses that we have.
So 30 different cheesemakers are on their website.
Yep, so you can buy factory direct right from the makers.
And what are some of the more popular ones?
Oh, they're all popular,
Hooks.
but you know, we have Hooks is a local favorite from Mineral Point. Sartori is always great. We have some from actually every part of the state of Wisconsin. So Renard's is up in Door County. Morel Mushroom Leek Jack from Muscadet, Wisconsin.
Wow.
There's also the Marique Honey Clove Gouda from up in Thorpe, Wisconsin. It's just a great array. So we have so many great cheesemakers here in the state, you know, with over 100 different makers in the state.
And how many varieties of cheese?
600 different varieties, types, and styles. So
you can have 2 a day for a year.
We are the state of cheese, so what a better gift to give than the joy of Wisconsin cheese.
Absolutely. This would be great for any holiday party.
Absolutely.
All right, go to the
WisconsinCheese.com, and you can find this recipe along with a lot of gift ideas and inspiration for the holidays.
Happy holidays.
Yeah, happy holidays.
We'll see you next year.
Yeah.
All right.